Hello, my friends. Welcome to the 452nd episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen. Today's recipe, I'm going to share with all of you a cherry cheesecake dump cake. And my friends, it is full of cherry flavor, simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Makes a great crowd pleaser, great to serve at any party or get together. Also great dessert for any weeknight meal. Everybody's gonna fall in love with this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, mint chocolate chip cookies. I'll post a link down below in the description box. So grab your cake mix, your cherry pie filling, and your cream cheese sugar, because we're about to bake some cherry cheesecake dump cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, over here I have two 21-ounce cans of cherry pie filling. And we're going to add in a half a teaspoon each of almond extract to give it an extra flavor. Almond extract goes real well with cherries. Going to stir this together. And over here, I have one 9x13-inch baking dish greased with baking spray. I'm just going to pour the cherries right in the pan. And spread evenly. Alright, my friends, and over here I have one 8-ounce container of whipped cream cheese spread. We're going to dollop it right on top of the cherries, like so. Using an offset spatula, we're just going to spread the cream cheese all over, like so. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish spreading the cream cheese and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through spreading the cream cheese, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to spread it all over so that way once you cut a slice, you'll have a piece of cream cheese in the cake. So now I'm going to set this aside while I work on the cake mix. In my bowl, I have one package of cake mix, and I'm using the cherry chip, or you can use a yellow vanilla or a French vanilla. And we're going to add in a half a cup, which is one stick of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. We're going to stir this together until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, this is what the cake looked like, nice and crumbly. That's what you're looking for. That looks great. Now we're ready to sprinkle it on top of the cherries. Ain't nothing like dump cakes. They're so simple, easy, and tasty. Smells good. Love the smell of cherries. Now we're ready to put this in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 30 minutes. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Cherry cheesecake dump cake. That'll look delicious. It smells heavenly up in this kitchen. The crust is nice and golden brown and the cherries are bubbly. All right, so now I'm gonna let this rest for about 5 to 10 minutes and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I'm serving it with some whipped cream, or you can serve it with some vanilla ice cream. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. The cake is crispy and the cherries is juicy. And I can taste the cream cheese. This is scrumptious, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Cherry cheesecake dump cake licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemade.delights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.